So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a lucky horseshoe. And this is how the box looks. It's pretty nice. And it feels heavy. So let's open it up and see. So this is what you get. This is a horseshoe. Think of a card. A gift of good luck. This lucky horseshoe carries wishes of happiness, strength, and protection. May it bring you peace, joy, and endless good fortune with love and warm wishes from our heart to yours. And then you can write your own message here. And this is such a good gift for, like, you know, people who like believe in like good luck charms. It's like a very unique good luck charm. It's not like a one for bracelets. It's really big and it's heavy too. So, and this is also good for people who like horseback riding or just unique little things to have. That I definitely just would recommend this because I know a few people that I know would love to have something like this.